What just happened today surprised me really well, because you just need to watch this video right now. Just for a warning, if you don't want to hear high-pitched sound, mute or quit this video now. Oh my god, I'm just recording this right now because right now I am having my office in the cellar and some weird noise is coming out of my Sony WH1000XM4s, which should be best headphones, and I don't know what that is. If anyone can explain, please tell me, because what is this? So yeah, if I turn this back on, again, and I don't know what the problem is. Now I will try to connect them to my phone. So if you watched the video, it's actually very funny. What sound does it release for such an expensive set of headphones? Please tell me down in the comments, what do you think is the problem? I think the problem is that I have my Wi-Fi antenna from my motherboard, and which also serves as Bluetooth signal, and it was in some weird location right here in this ceiling room, and when I move it, it stopped doing it. But I hope I didn't damage the headphones, because the sound was very intense and loud and high pitched. So that's that. For the next week I am preparing, or 2 weeks, I am preparing one of interesting video where I will be testing one of my own 3D printed models. To see more, check it out in a week or two.